Alright, so I got it installed. About to pull off obviously the bubble wrap. It's very simple. Pretty cool because the Magnaflow mid-pipe section actually says Magnaflow. It's pretty sick right there. I mean, I'm a big fan of Magnaflow. They do a very nice job of making aftermarket parts, especially for my 2012 Tacoma. I had their Pro Performance exhaust. I'm going to pull these bad boys out. You know what? Didn't even really set those in there right. Just pull them out before they burn. You see the nice stainless steel tips.
Come on, bitch. Get the fuck out of there.
Oh boy, it's gonna catch. I might have to maneuver those. There's a little bit of it's touching. I gotta adjust that before I start it. These came out pretty good. Just within spaces in between the valence. You know, you pay $35,000 for a car, and all you get nowadays is plastic, urethane, and a little bit of metal. So we'll lower it, start it up, 4-inch exhaust. Filming with a iPhone 7 Plus, 4-inch Magnaflow. This is the old white pipe. Resonators are exhaust manifolds. Magnaflow competition with the muffler delete. 3-inch piping, 4-inch tips, cold start. Engine compartment, plenty of installed, the mid pipe. Filming on the iPhone 7 Plus. 2016 Subaru STI. Cold start. In the cab, the windows down.